Warmest greetings from the JC Life Skill Academy. With the 10th and 12th standard exams fast approaching, students must be really worried and confused about which career path to follow. Well, JC is here to help you get a little clarity on the topic. Our objective is to help individuals identify and formulate goals and providing a realistic action plan that influences their career development. Students are assessed extensively based on a number of tests as well as one-on-one counseling in order to make informed career choices that are in line with their job expectancies and skills. You will be amazed to find your most suitable career path out of 18 career clusters, 110 plus career paths, and over 3,000 occupations. For this purpose, JC organizes career counseling workshops that are open to not only students but also to those who are looking for some assistance on their professional growth. Join us to get more insight on how we can help you transform your life theme to career goals.